Hey, welcome back to 7th Science. Today we're going to be learning about simple machines. First thing I want you to do is watch this video. It's by this group called Vocabulary. They do these great videos on physics and science. This is about simple machines, and then we're going to be doing that in conjunction with our LearnEd notebook, pages 18 and 19. So once you watch the video, go down to the slides here and get through the information here about the simple machines. Should have examples of each type of simple machine, as well as a picture to help understand how it goes. The video is probably more helpful, actually, but there is information there. So once you've filled out this first page and page 18, you'll see that there is a big table on page 19. I'll give you an example on how to do this in just a second. So it says, when you get to the slide about page 19, examine each picture and describe how their designs allow work to be done. The first thing you do is draw 4 different types of simple machines. So in this example, on the top, I have a drawing of a screw. That's a simple machine. I've put the name here, screw. There's my drawing. And then describe it is the last part. Examine each picture. And I've said for my description that it allows work to be done by holding objects together using mechanical advantage given by the inclined plane. So screws hold things together tightly, and the reason they do that is because it's essentially a wedge wrapped around a cylinder, and it creates a lot of mechanical advantage within the object itself. It's pretty great that we have screws. So that's one of the 4. Once you have 4 simple machines that you've selected, again, if you're not sure what those are, you can pick any of these. Here's an inclined plane, like a ramp. You could say that. You could pick a wheel and axle, which is not just Ferris wheels. We use those for cars and skateboards. Pulleys, you find these in chains of bikes as well. Levers are everywhere. Your light switches of your cars. Your car doors actually probably have levers in them. And wedges, like a kitchen knife or butter knife or something, or doorstop. So we use these a lot. You could do drawings of each one of those. Pick 4, and then once you've drawn all your objects, send me a picture of this, of your work through there. If you're having difficulty with using the book and want to do it digitally, feel free. You can annotate this document right here pretty quickly by opening it in a new tab and then annotating. I suggest getting the Chrome extension named Cami. We've talked about this throughout the year, but if you need to annotate your work, feel free to use the Cami stuff here. It's pretty quick. You just click open with Cami and then add text boxes and images or whatever else you need. And then you can add whatever else you need to this PDF to fill it out digitally. I'll spend a few seconds doing this with you, but I don't want to do the whole thing here. Select the text box tool is going to be the most useful for this. And then let's go down to simple machines, the page. There it is. So simple machines. If you click on here with text box, I've now made something to type into. Simple machine, something that makes, the answer to this. It makes work easier by changing the, and then it'd be like amount of distance or force that you need to do work. So once you've done that, you can even add images here. So if you want to add a picture, you can draw or add shapes and do that. Once you've finished your work, you can send that to me by clicking save and download and email it, or you can just share it, and this will be the link for you. Copy this and submit that as your answer. So that's how to do it digitally if you need to do it digitally instead of using a book. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. I'll see you later.